that. Look, there's jacuzzi bath. The aircon by the bed. Oh my God. Lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you a room tour. What you get in a room in the Sea Sensatori Tui Blue in Sharm El Sheikh. So I've just literally arrived and as you can tell I'm a bit on the warm side, but I'm going to quickly check out the room, get my stuff sorted and then go and have a little explore. So hopefully I'll cover everything that you need to know in this room tour. Let's go. So the first thing that struck me is how gorgeous these doors are, look. And then as usual, you've got your do not disturb sign or please clean the room, which you can leave on the outside. This key is for the electric. Oh, is this dimming lights? There is dimming lights in the bathroom. Oh my goodness, love that, love that. We'll do the room first. So we're walking in and I've got a lot of wardrobes here. What we got in here? I knew there was going to be a robe, so I'm really happy about that. And some slippers, somewhere to put your case, second robe for my imaginary friend, which I cracked myself up about. Okay, a nice safe, which is brilliant. What I've heard before about the Coral Sea laundry service is brilliant. Oh, this one's $30 at Waterworld. Oh no, it's pounds. Okay, so that's probably about the same. You have a safe there, which is free to use, and there's instructions on how to use it. Plenty of drawer space and some more coat hangers and loads of room there, which is amazing. So we come into the main area of the room. Really nice decor. Love the lamp. Love that. That's a nice little sort of side table. Somewhere to put your suitcase. Mine will be there in a minute. What we got here? We've got some tea. That looks like all right tea actually. Nice Nescafe kettle, cups and spoons, a massive telly, which I won't be watching. Probably a fridge under here, is there? Yeah, there we go. There's a fridge. Oh, with a mini bar. Usually they're chargeable. I'm not sure if that is or not. Oh, but there's chocolate there. There's crisps here. Yeah, I reckon that's probably chargeable. If I don't update that information, check with reception. But yeah, what have you got in there? Let me see if they've got any. They've got some Coke Zero in there. Now, they're not very good at doing things for dietary requirements in... Oh, that mango looks nice. And that pineapple, but I didn't dare. Me and my gut won't work too well with that. Some water, which is good, because in the other hotel that I've been staying at, which is not a Coral Sea, they told me I've got to go out and buy some water. Look at this mirror. How gorgeous is that? Sort of Art Deco style. And how do I look in the mirror? All right, actually. Sometimes the lighting on them is a bit weird, isn't it? You've got a lovely area there where you can do your makeup and stuff. There might be a hairdryer, probably in the bathroom. These are all soft clothes as well. Oh, that one's soft clothes. Brilliant. Okay, for some reason I have got a spare bed. If you watch Cara and Nate, they call these the stuff beds. But it's good to show. Now, normally in Egypt, I've never had an uncomfy bed. So let's do the knuckle test, which I'm branding that as my thing. Yeah, that feels really nice actually. It does feel like a proper duvet. Oh my God, it is. That's the first time I've had one all week. Pillows. They're really good, actually. Really good pillows. And the cushions, obviously, for decor. Look how they stack those. They're really nice, aren't they? A telephone there's called reception. Holiday notes. I will be making some holiday notes for sure. And the aircon by the bed. Oh my God, I've never seen that ever. Got more dimming lights. Look at that. Oh, brilliant. And then this gorgeous decor there with the headboard and stuff. So it's a small room compared to Coral Sea Waterworld. I quite like that because in Coral Sea Waterworld, you end up just walking around. I'm going to guess that this opens and closes here so that you can chat to your loved one who might be in the bath the other side, but also you can be private if you want to. Looks like it could be an adjoining room for a family to share. Okay, big full-length mirror. That's me. Okay, let's go in the bathroom. I'm going to just... Look, this jacuzzi bath, shower over the bath, mood lighting. I don't want to disturb that, but just put it up a little bit just for the sake of that. Yeah, so yeah, look, you can... Oh, don't be too keen, Lou. So you can do that. I love that. I love that idea. But obviously if you're sharing with, I don't know, say your kids or your older children or your friend, then you can do that. So yes, jacuzzi bath. I think this is standard in this resort as well, I've read. Really nice decor with the tiles. Look at those. Love that. Nice towels. They're nice. Looks like a little bit of aircon there as well in here. that is a speaker. That's impressive. Okay, what else have we got? A bidet. And scales, I'm not going to step on those because I've not been eating, and I probably will eat while I'm here. So that's going to give me a false thing. A bidet. Don't normally get that. You normally get a thing. Oh, you've still got one of them there. But anyway, nice toilet. Lid should be shut really, shouldn't it, when I'm filming? There we go. Bin. Phone always by the toilet. I don't know what you need that for. These mirrors are good. They're good for doing your bits and bobs and your makeup, and it's really, really clean, sparkling clean, which of course it would be. What we got here? Let's have a look. So we've got some shower gel, got some shampoo, and a body lotion. Okay, those are in sort of the standard Tui Blue stuff. Oh, look how nice that is. That's like a bit of, I'm going to say Welsh slate, because we need a bit of Welsh in our YouTube videos. I'm so sorry that there's music. I've just realised that there's something that, oh, cotton buds, to keep them away from me. I actually am pretty much completely deaf right now, so that's really frustrating all the staff everywhere I've been. I keep cupping my ear to let them know that I can't hear them. Okay, let's do the test. That's a good hairdryer. Okay, man, we're happy with that. So, in a box of tissues, which is just handy. Is this a... Oh my God, that's great. Isn't that great for putting your phone on when you're in the bath or sitting there to clean your teeth, one or the other? Okay, I really like this room. I think that's amazing. It's got frosted glass, floor to ceiling. I know some of you are all about your privacy. So that's it. That's the Coral Sea Sensatori room. I am going to end this video now, and hopefully you'll come and see the full tour of the resort, which will be on a completely separate video, and I will be vlogging the trip as well, so you can see how I'm finding things, which hopefully I'm going to find it really flipping good, because this trip itself at the moment it's had its moments of ups and downs. So I don't have much of a view, which is a little bit of a shame, but I do really like that. How cute is that? And I've got no dead cockroaches out there, which I've got in another hotel that I've been to. So this is like quality hotel, and I'm really excited for my stay here. Am I likely to extend the stay? Possibly. But I also feel like I need to get and do some other hotels to show you as well. But that bed is very inviting, and I'm quite excited to get there. And also this area that we're in now isn't in Nabk, and I just feel a little comfort zoney about Nabk. So that's it. I love the way that I matched the decor. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you want to see the other room tours, Sea Waterworld and the Rehana, and am I going to go somewhere else? I might go to Albatros Moderna, which is the first ever hotel I stayed at in Egypt. So have a look around the channel for those, and you decide, what do you like? Do you like the more quiet, more sophisticated, which I think this is going to give us? Do you like the beat of Sea Sensatori, Waterworld, or do you want the Albatros Moderna, which is I don't know. In the next video, make sure that you don't miss the full tour of this hotel. Let me know if you stayed here in the comments. I'd love to know what your thoughts were.